of birth in Gmail. So I have a video on it, but there was a slight problem that you can change your date of birth if you are above 15 years. Like for example, if you are 20 years old and you change your date of birth to 18 years or 22 years, then you can rechange it also. There is no problem. But if you change your date of birth to a minor age, which Google consider less than 14 years. So if you change your date of birth, for example, your date of birth is 2000 and you change it to 2010, so you become 11 years. So then Google will consider you as minor and it will delete your account in 14 days. So how you can save your account? Today I'm gonna show you. It's super easy. There's not so much problem. Just stick around. I'll show you how. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as I upload informative videos every day.
So first you will open your browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge. You can use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or whatever you want to use. All have same procedure. So this is my account. Today I am gonna change it to the minor account. Like I'll change the date of birth in such a way that Google will consider it as minor. Then obviously I cannot change the date of birth again. So what are the procedures and how to overcome this problem, I'll tell you, because few people accidentally change it and then they are having trouble. So I will click on this my account and then I'll click on manage accounts. Now I have this first option on the left side after home, personal info. So I'll click on personal info. Now if you see the date of birth here is January 19, 2000. So according to it, I am 21 years old. But now I am changing it to 2010. So that will make me 11 years old. Then see what happens. So I am just clicking here. And now I am changing it to 2010. And I'll click on save. Now they are saying that you are 11 years old. Is that correct? Actually 11 years old means that I am a minor. So if I say confirm, so I click on confirm. Now you see, as soon as I confirm it, then there's option a parent must supervise your account within 14 days or it won't work anymore. Like it will be deleted in 14 days. So what to do here? The people stick here and they are having problem here. So if you click here in more option here, you can you have a few options. I'll be discussing that. So set up a supervisor account, like you tell Google that I have a parent, I have a father, mother, or any other account that will supervise my account, because Google do not allow minors to handle the account by themselves. So then second, you will need a credit card or government ID to correct. So if I click on this option and if I click on next, see what will happen. Now it's saying update your date of birth. So for example, if I keep it same January 19 and 2000, which was the previous one, or whatever you want to change, and you click on next. Now it will ask you to use a credit card or valid ID. So like in Pakistan we use NIC, National ID card. So you can use any other card according to your country, or if you have a credit card you can identify. But if you are minor, then obviously you don't have any card and you cannot update. So what you need to do then? See, if I click here, it will ask me to upload an ID. So I can upload my ID here. So this is one option. But usually minor people, below 14 years people, they make their IDs with older age and then they change it to the correct one and then they have issue. So what they need to do, that I am going to cover it. So this is one way to verify your account. So I'll click on back. Okay, now this is the page where we have landed before, and if I click on more option, then there is a first option. You and your parent will do this together. Set up supervision. You can do a supervision account. You can use this way, or if you click on back. Okay, so this is the page. So if you click, my parent is here. So if you click here, they will ask you to set up a supervisor account. So simply click on set up supervision. Then you will click on next. Now they are asking you to put your supervisor, like your parents will manage your account. So what you can do here, sometimes we do not want our parents to manage our account. So simply you can make any other account with the older date. Like for example, if you are 13 years old, you can make an account and keep the date of birth 2000 or below 2000. So Google will consider you as not minor, so it does not block your account. So simply you will click on next. Now they are asking you to write your account. So I am using my own account, I am not using my father account here. I am using my own account to verify it. So I click here and write my own other account, this one, marksuhail@gmail.com. So this is actually my other account. This is not my parent account, my father or mother account. This is my own account. But actually I just want to overcome that problem which I incurred. So I'll click on next. It will ask for the password, so I'll type it here and click on next. Now you see there are certain rules. If you want to read it. I will just surpass it. I'll click on next. Then there are a few more options. Okay, now they will ask me. They are asking me that you are, since I'm managing with another account, so just then want to make sure that this account which this minor account which got warning, this account which I made just for the demo, so I need to write the password of it also. So I'm typing it here and I'll click on agree. And oh, I missed it. I have to click here also. So I'll click on agree. Now they are asking to agree few things, so I'll click on it and click on agree. Now they're asking me again to confirm the password, so I will type again. I have to confirm the marksuhail passwords as a parent. So you click on next now. Now you can see your account is linked, so it's quite easy now for you. Now your account will not be blocked and you can manage your account. So now you'll click on next, and then they're asking certain filters. We need not to do it, so just click on next. Now they're asking you to set up few things like when that account can be used in what hours, or you want to use time limits. I don't want to do anything here. I just want to save, just telling you how to save the account. So just clicking on the skip here. Now I click on review setting. Now my account is done and easily I can manage it, and they are saying make a plan. I don't want to make any plan, so I click on not now. And I'll click on continue to Google account. So now if I open my Gmail, now you see when I open my account, now they are saying your Google is now supervised. So if I click on it, they are saying that your parent will control everything in it, blah blah blah. So you see now your account is safe, and you can easily use it. It will not be deleted. Now it is safe, and once you get older than 14 years, then automatically your account will go to the adult portion. Like you can use your account by yourself without any other account. But if you do want to do anything, if you have any restriction in downloading or anything, you can always use your other account which I have linked. I'll show you that also. So if you use your other account, you check it on openmail.google.com. So this is the account which I am supervising now. Now this is how you can protect your account. Once you change it to minor account, you change your date of birth below 14 years, then obviously you cannot change your date of birth. So this is the only option that you either verify by ID card or credit card if you are above 14 years. But if you are below 14 years, then the only way is to link your account to Family Link, and this is how to link your account to Family Link. Now your account is safe, you can easily use it. If you have any problem in permission, like for example if you are downloading something with this account and you are having problem, then obviously whenever you are downloading they will ask a password. So you can use your other account which you have made as your parent or supervisor account. You can use that account's password, and obviously you will be able to download and use your account normally. If you still have any problem, feel free to Write in your comment, I'll be answering it.
I hope this video was super helpful for you. So why don't you give me a like, subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it till yet, and hit the bell icon as I upload informative videos every week. Take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.